Hi, this is Ajay Kumar from Rudra Surgical, Mumbai. We are manufacturer and exporter of laparoscopy, urology and gynecology instruments. So this is flexible lever retractor, material stainless steel, reusable and autoclavable. So we are now assembling this essential flexible lever retractor. So first we are going to attach this main stand. Now this is the hook. Now we are attaching this one. Now we have to attach this hook. Now this hook is properly attached. Now we are going to attach this flexible part. We have attached this, and you can also move this one for flexibility. So you can see that this part has been tightened up. You can adjust the flexibility by rotating this lever. Now we are going to attach this lever retractor heart shape. So we have attached this. So here we have this three hooks, which is small, large and medium one. For further details, you can contact us on our given email ID and contact number in description. Thank you.